Staring at a frustrating error code in TurboTax and not sure what to do next? If deciphering these messages feels like reading another language, you're not alone. Today, we're troubleshooting common TurboTax error codes quickly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Error codes usually point to a specific issue with your return, like a math error, a missing field, or a mismatch with IRS records. Step 1. Don't panic, just search. TurboTax has an extensive help database. Write down the exact error code, e.g., error 102, and search for it in the TurboTax Help Center, which is accessible right within the software. You'll often find a step-by-step solution. Step 2. Common fixes. Many errors relate to a mismatch with your prior year AGI or your name and social security number not matching IRS records exactly. Double-check that you've entered your personal information without typos and that you're using the correct AGI for your electronic signature. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the Diagnose and Fix tool. For many errors, TurboTax has an automated Diagnose or Fix My Return tool. Let it run. It can often automatically identify and correct the problem, especially for common math errors or missing information. So, just like that, you have a game plan for conquering those pesky error codes. A methodical approach goes a long way in getting you past the finish line. Now I'm curious, what's the most confusing error code you've encountered in TurboTax? How did you solve it? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.